There's no way I look like that. Who the f is that?
Hi guys, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. What a cute little 0.5 moment. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting, and just watching my vlogs. It's been a minute since I have posted. I am so very sorry, but it's here. The vlog's here, and I'm gonna try to get the next one out after that as soon as I can. Anywho's, okay, well, I guess let's just get into this vlog. You know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna go to Palm Springs because it's been so gloomy in LA probably for the past 3 weeks. None of us understand what's happening and what's going on. So yeah, the girlies are gonna go to Palm Springs. We got a really beautiful Airbnb and we're just gonna chill, get some sun. It's like in the 90s over there and sunny and hot, and personally I just want to be sweating, you know. I just want to be so hot that I'm just sweating and just looking like a glazed donut. I'm ready for you, Palm Springs. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, Eddie. Birthday here, but look at how freaking, just look. It is sunny. Wow. Us girlies are gonna go get coffee, go to the store, and then we're gonna lay out until we are so crispy, and it's gonna be a fun time. I didn't make it. Oh.
Help.
Here doing her little skin routine. Oh my god, I need to learn how to do that. Guys, this is my first time having Dutch Bros. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it.
A banana cream pie freeze? Oh no. There's no way I look like that. Who the f is that? Guys, we're at Dutch Bros, and if you've never been to Dutch Bros, when you're in Palm Springs, you must go. I'm fine. Everything's fine.
So what's one thing you guys are excited about this weekend?
Sun. Literally seeing the sun.
Chelsea?
Laying out and like having a little drink by the pool.
A little drinky poo.
Maybe 5.
Maybe 5.
Yeah, we've all just been feeling a little stressy poo, and I think we all need it.
Is here, people. It's bigger than my head, if you can't tell. This is their largest size, soft top on top, which is like a cold, or what is it frickin' called at Starbucks?
Venti?
Cold foam.
Oh, yeah.
It's the cold foam, and then cold brew vanilla with oat milk. See ya.
Okay, we're ready for dinner.
We're all very different vibes. Hey.
Oh. Just chilling with the girlies.
We're playing Uno.
Is it real? Is it too long? Oh, I keep showing my cards. God damn it. Don't.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there, I'm loving.
Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. Hope you guys liked it. It was a little everywhere. It was kind of late, and I'm very sorry about that. The next vlog should be up as soon as I edit it. I went on another little trip and it was so much fun. There's just so many trips that are currently happening in my life that I am gonna try my best to vlog. Make sure they're the cutest vlogs you have ever seen in your life. You know? Again, thank you guys so much for being here, for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. I feel like I want to do a vlog, just me doing my makeup, but like very in depth, you know? Or me just literally getting ready for something and doing my makeup and picking out my outfit. I don't know. I think that could be a vibe. Let me know what you think. I have to go, but I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.
Hi, I just wanted to let you know that you're my favorite, and I love you, and it's like 3 in the morning right now, and I should probably go to bed, and look at my cute little headphones. Okay, well, I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye.